Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, it's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another walkthrough video. So today's album is a couple's album. I've already delivered this album to my client and I absolutely love how this album turned out. I love this paper. This paper is from Michaels. It's called Plush Peonies and this is how the album looks from the inside. Beautiful paper, and the album turned out absolutely stunning. And this is actually an anniversary gift. So my client wanted an album to give to her parents on anniversary, and I haven't decorated the inside yet because I'm going to use these stickers. So my client's idea for this album was to portray how her parents as a couple have changed over the years, how they've evolved and since their marriage. So it's gonna be, this album will have pictures from their marriage to up till now 2022. So that's what this album is all about. And after I planted the pictures inside, the album came to life even more because the albums always look more stunning with the pictures inside. So here is a pull down waterfall. I love making this and I make this in every single album of mine. And I love this album, and my client loved this album. I hope you guys love this as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button. And if you want custom orders, custom albums, gift boxes, invitation cards, gift bags, anything really for any occasion, you can contact me on my Instagram. All the details will be down in the description box below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys stay safe and stay healthy. Take care and enjoy the rest of the walkthrough.